2 weeks, diet. Every day, people are trying to find new get-thin-quick diets. They see the commercials and listen to about these new diets that promise to lead to very short periods of your time. The question on everyone's mind is, do they really work? I have investigated some popular fad diets to search out for myself. The knowledge below might facilitate you to determine if any of those are right for you. The program will empower you to take control of your weight. In just a period of time. Diet, South Beach. This diet has 3 basic phases that you simply should follow to take care of weight loss and healthy eating habits. The primary phase lasts around 2 weeks and is meant to eliminate cravings for sugary food. After you've completed the primary phase, you may persist to the following phase, which introduces more carbs, etc. Finally, you may begin the 3rd phase, and you'll be able to now eat more of the fundamental food groups minus the sugars and bad fats. Another diet plan. You'll be able to lose up to 6 pounds in a period if you follow the plan. You must substitute a bowl of Cat Valium cereal or a Super C bar for breakfast and lunch, and so eat dinner as you normally do. If you are doing this for 2 weeks, you ought to be able to shed a pair of pounds. 3rd diet plan, Slim Fast. Slim Fast has been around for ages now, but what a number of people are really profiting from it. In keeping with this diet, you must replace your normal breakfast with a Slim Fast shake or bar. You've got something small for lunch together with another shake or bar. For dinner, you ought to eat approximately 500 calories. Your plate should incorporate half veggies, quarter lean meat, and 1/4 of a starch, preferably whole grain. You're also allowed 1 snack, that will be something small like an apple or a Slim Fast bar. Exercise is inspired by this diet. These are just some of the various diets that folks have tried and can still try to thin. Looks like everyone encompasses a hard time maintaining these diets, and most of the time you get tired of the identical old food daily. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.